vacuum cleaner. Don't worry, Isaac and Violet. Honey's got it under control. Today, we're going to cook with honey. We're going to do a lot of cooking, but we're only going to be vacuuming. Are you ready? This is a skill that you're going to want to know whenever you grow up. A skill is something that is very useful to know how to do. Today, all you're going to need is a vacuum cleaner and a rug or a carpet. Are you ready to get started? I hope you can hear me because it's really loud. Right, Isaac? Oh, yeah. Get ready. You always want to make sure that you have the cord pulled out of the way. Get ready. We're going to turn it on and let's get started. Forward, backward, forward, backward. Did you see how I was vacuuming and pushing and pulling when I was vacuuming? And you always want to make sure that you get up close to the edge of the wall so you can get all of that dust. Oh, that is something everybody needs to know how to do. Especially doing it once a week gets all that dust and dirt off your carpet and makes your house smell wonderful. All right, until next time, get ready, 'cause we're cooking with honey.